Hey there, if you're managing a retail or CPG brand with hundreds or thousands of products, you know the pain. Writing unique SEO-optimized descriptions for every single SKU is a nightmare. It's time-consuming, it's expensive, and it's taking your team away from strategy. What if you could generate hundreds of unique search engine-friendly descriptions in minutes instead of weeks? That's what we're showing you today. This is an AI-powered SEO description generator built specifically for CPG and retail teams. Here's how it works. You feed in your product data, SKU, category, attributes, competitors, and the AI generates unique optimized descriptions that follow SEO best practices, match your brand voice, and actually rank. In our live demo, we generated 500 product descriptions in under 2 minutes. Each one was unique, each one was SEO optimized, and each one was ready to publish. The results? Our pilot customers saw organic traffic increase by an average of 3 times within 30 days. More traffic means more sales. More time back for your team means strategic growth. Ready to see it in action? Head to https://POC-SEO-product-description-generator-itsatgupta-4178s-projects.versal.app to try it yourself. It takes 60 seconds to set up. Let's turn your catalog into a growth engine. Thanks for watching.